Anytime you build a business from the ground up, it's challenging, and that's even more true when it includes a 24,000 square foot purpose-built facility. That was the case with Adrenaline Monkey in Cleveland, Ohio, which opened its doors July 2018.
So in my 30 years of doing this communications work, one of the largest pain points that we have is trying to tie together all of the different entities that would be on these jobs and getting all the details that are needed. Daryl can provide that for us up front. He comes in like the quarterback, takes care of finding all the information that we need from the multiple vendors that are involved.
We were able to jump right in, help them gather quotes, and find the right vendors, budget meetings, construction meetings, and visits, just to ensure that our expectations were being met. And eventually implement a solution that included internet, phones, AV, surveillance cameras, and security.
We have different points where it's where the voice cables are going to go if you're going to have some audio people coming in, if you're going to have the different data entities coming in, if you've got different companies that would need multiple connections or TVs at certain levels or hung in certain places, security systems, surveillance systems, anything that anybody needs. That's a lot of coordination up front that's required. And Daryl is extremely good at coming in and being able to pull that all together, pull together a scope of work, a time frame, and a budget so that we can come out and exceed the customer's expectations every try.
When we started the planning process for Adrenaline Monkey, it quickly became apparent that we would need a professional to come in early on for IT services. And Daryl was that trusted advisor that we were looking for. He helped us create a budget for IT services to get quotes and select the right vendors. NIC project managed everything from early contract signing to programming and installation. It made our jobs a lot easier, and now we have a state-of-the-art facility with the best technology.
And we couldn't be more excited to be part of it.